Hey, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I would like to share with you, I had one client, they reached out to me, fix their conversion tracking for Clickfunnel. The case scenario of that client were already using Clickfunnel conversion tracking method, and they are running ads. They are getting lots of mismatched data. And client cannot optimize their ad because they have lots of problem. And I onboard the client and I am fixing client problem. First, I have audited, then I will fix the client problem right now. So now I would like to show you something as like if you are using ClickFunnels, right? So that means you have to use for something else, right? So I will show you something what I need to do first. So if client need conversion tracking, that means they need something for accurate tracking, right? Conversion API means they need server-side tracking. So now I will share with you how can I set up. First, I have to set up Google Tag Manager. Okay, then I have to create a step.io account for tagging server, and also I have to use subdomain for step.io. As subdomain means the main domain that I create the subdomain for tagging server. As like you can see, I have already created the server. Okay, so yeah, that's step.io. This is a client, and I created the subdomain. That subdomain I created for the client because that's most important for fast party tracking. You know what? Lots of ad blocker, lots of browser they are predict as like a third party domain, so they are blocking. You know what? And second is lots of browser and lots of third party they are doing as like that. The Google Tag Manager, if I use Google Tag Manager, is a third party, right? First party means your domain is a first party, and any other domain is a third party. So that's why I have to create a first party domain for tagging server, and I have to create a custom loader. The custom loader represent as like that, this type of. So you can see we can use Google Tag Manager, but we can use the custom domain. This is the custom domain, okay? So that means you can see this is the custom domain. That means any type of ad blocker or any type of anything, they cannot predict that we are using a Google Tag Manager or any type of tracking on our ClickFunnels backing, right? So that's it. And I will show you something as like that. I have created that, and I have to use copy that code. I have to go to ClickFunnels backing, right? I have to go to the ClickFunnels backing, and I have to click the settings. Yeah, then I have to remove everything, right? I have to remove all previous code that previously client used. I just remove it. I just paste it because you can see I have connected Google Tag Manager just like that. So, and second part I have to remove, okay, and I have to paste here, okay. Then I have to save and publish, or yeah, save and update. So this is the step. First step, I have to connect Google Tag Manager. Also, Google Tag Manager will be, will be first party domain. So Google Tag Manager would be loaded your first party domain as like your domain, something like that. We can check it every section. Then we can check out we are already using or not. Yeah, that's fine. So now we can check it, right? We can check it something. If I preview there, right? If I preview that, then I need to know our Google Tag Manager already connected or not. Yeah, our Google Tag Manager already connected. Okay, our Google Tag Manager already connected. Yeah, now what I need to do, I have to click on the new and click on here. Then I have to do something as like, sorry for that. Yeah, I have to search Facebook, right? So I found the Facebook conversion API. I'm sorry, Facebook pixels. I click it and I have to add. Yeah, already I have added that, right? So then I have to go back new, then here. So what I need to do, right? First, I have to connect Facebook to the Google Tag Manager. So first, I have to go here. Then I can copy the data set or pixels. What do you call it, right? Yeah. So I have to create something as like that. It's not a data layer. That will be constant. Okay, that will be pixel ID. Okay. Yeah. So then I will create another setting. Yeah, click into here. That will be deduplication method. So normally, so Facebook conversion API need two type of data. One data is from browser, one data is from server. But also Facebook want to know two type of data. That will be one data. That the method is called deduplication. If you want to see Facebook you know, duplication. You can see Facebook deduplication, maybe they say whatever, or I always time follow the Facebook, Facebook conversion API, what Facebook recommended. So yeah, the Facebook deduplication means Facebook need two type of data. Yeah, one is a Facebook meta, one is a conversion API. That means Facebook need two type of data. Also, Facebook need two type of data, and Facebook want to understand two type of data is one data. That means the deduplication method. Okay, so yeah, so what I need to do first, I click here. Click here. Then I click here. I will click event ID, right? If I do click the event ID, then I can close that, right? Yeah, that's a Facebook event ID. Then what I need to do, okay, so I have to create something as like, that will be the page view. Okay, so that will be AB all page. Yeah, now we can check it, our Facebook event is working or not, right? So that will be perfect if we can check and debug every test what you want to do. So I have already set up the Facebook conversion tracking. Yeah, you can see the page is triggered. We can see here, yeah, page is triggered. This event ID, we already sent it. Other thing, that event will be lead. When someone clicks something here as like, okay, for, I don't know, yeah. So when someone click it, that will be redirect as here. That page will be the lead. Okay, we can copy that URL and we have to go, right? We have to go as like, open it, right? Just open it and copy it, the simple, So just copy it and I can do, that will be the lead. Okay, that will be lead, and we can change that name here, lead. Also, one thing, we have to change something as like the triggering. When someone landed the page, that page will be page URL, that will be lead. Okay, so that's a very simple process. You know what? So if we check that, so right now I'm set. I am doing, or I am implementing browser side tracking. It's like a meta pixel configuration. Okay, so you can see if someone do as like that, whatever, as like that. I don't know. If I click that the lead, you can see that's Facebook page, the lead. Okay, so I will configure all everything and I will get back to you. Yeah, I have already done some type of tracking. Yeah, so now I will show you how I done it and how I have already created, right? So yeah, that's a long process. You know what? I want to make it short. That's why I just paused some video. I just paused this video and I have done something on the back end. Now I will show you what I have done. Okay, so you have to do it as like what I follow. I follow this, so this is a conversion API tracking for server side Google Tag Manager. So this type of way Google, Facebook recommended. Okay, so that's a recommended for Facebook, right? I also use, I will show you what I have done. So you can see here, this is Google Tag Manager, right? So I have done, I have done this type of setup. Okay, and you can see that is server setup. I have done that, and you can see I have, this type of parameter I have sent it, and also this type of parameter I also sent it. Okay, Facebook recommended. Okay, that's Facebook recommended. I also save it. Okay, so I also save it, event ID. I have also saved it because Facebook need this type of data for the duplication method. Okay, so you can see the Facebook are receiving two type of data. One is a browser, one is a server. Okay, so and yeah, so now I will show you something as like, close that. Yeah, that's the page view, right? So that is the page view. Okay, and when someone click that, okay, so that will be opt means lead. Okay, that page will be lead. You can see it's a lead event. Also, that will be here. So lead event will be sometime they need time. Okay, so we can check as like server sometime they need time. Okay, so that will be here. You can see this is server container. This is the browser container. Browser container is a tag assistant.google.com. Server container is a gtm.domain.com. Okay, so that's it. Also I have, yeah, you can see the lead already happened. You know, the lead is browser. This one is a browser. This one is a server. Okay, so this is a browser and this one is server. Also, if I go another one, right? We are testing something. If I select this page also, yeah, I have changed that page. That page will be, yeah, that page will be changing because I don't know why. Maybe this is the, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe this is, yeah, this page, right? This page, yeah, this page. I changed the URL. Why they are showing? Yeah, that will be booking, right? So maybe it's not updated. Okay, if I close, that will be updated. Okay, so yeah, you can see the lead, generate lead. Okay, generate lead means, you know, that is, yeah, conversion tracking almost done. You can see here this sending lots of information here. Also, yeah, that's lead. Fine. I have to check it. Okay, booking complete, lead. Fine. Okay, so lead, we can check it. Lead fine. Training page, lead page. It's complete registration means it's a thank you page. Okay, fine. Booking means a booking page. Okay, so booking means is a booking page. So that page, Clickfunnel, yeah, that's a book training page. I don't know, yeah, the training page. Okay, yeah, but you know, we have to change something. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So that, will someone select that, right? So that will be complete registration. When someone select it, that will be complete registration. So, but client have some problem on their funnel, right? Client have to change the thank you page to different page. Okay, so I hope you understand how I process. Also, if you want to see as like there, right, this complete registration, that everything is perfect. So I hope you understand how I set up conversion tracking, meta pixel, and conversion tracking for ClickFunnel. So do you have any question, whatever do you want, let me know. I have lots of, I have lots of inquiry. Sorry, if you have lots of inquiry, please let me know. I'm here. Thank you so much for the time, man. I'm so excited. Reach out to me.